Hello guys, Martin Szreter, 18th of February. Let's have a look into the price action of Bitcoin, Ethereum and our cryptocurrency market as of today. Starting chart with the whale orders, large trade orders for Bitcoin, we can see that definitely bearish price action, and Ethereum usually follows Bitcoin, and that's exactly what's happening. And if we look into the liquidity heat map, if you see, actually, we are going to grab probably 94K liquidity, which have a lot of them bulled in the last 24 hours. But when we actually zoom it out to the 3 months time frame, for example, we see that we stay still below the big range, which is 90 to 110K. Everything between is like, to be honest, no trade or very low size of trade. It's quite difficult to understand and judge. Will we go lower again to the 90K or not? We may be willing to take some longs here, but they can be risky and you can get really, the price can drop to 90K again, because we evidently seeing this, ranging since the November, basically, right? We are talking about 90K, 110. That's the range we need to keep in mind. In terms of the liquidations, we have 140,000 traders liquidated. Every day there is more than 100,000 basically traders liquidated, and the longers got liquidated as well recently, apparently. So that's how the chart looks like. Liquidation is still much lower than previously, but it's still high, and I will tell you the reasons behind it. Before that, let me have a look into the 4-hour time frame for the crypto market RSI heat map. Everything is oversold. And if we go to the weekly, still we stay in the oversold or neutral area. So in any case, it's actually quite bullish for altcoins to, when to open the futures, when to buy altcoins, if not now. When everyone is bleeding, that's the moment you buy, guys. And we sell when everyone is talking about 10 million per coin. So, yeah. Alt season index, it's 45. We are still here since basically mid of November. And if you see, we can say it was the previous resistance and now it flipped to the support. You see my one. If you put the line here, that's exactly what's happening. Previous resistance becoming the new support, and then we need to monitor. After that's the case, we may see the price action going back up, but let's stay for this and a little bit wait. To conclude it, here on this chart, I'm comparing Bitcoin to US 500, to Ethereum, and to others. And others, I mean altcoins other than top 10. As you can see, crypto 1, 2, 3 has a bearish price action, and US 500 actually so far is trying to break the new all-time high. So it's opposite price action to crypto. Usually, US 500 is leading the first move, and after it does the move, we may see the same price action on our assets, but we may also wait a bit longer, and I will tell you why in a second. So when we come back to the same price action and we see 4-hour time frame, these are the others, so the altcoins. 4-hour time frame, we are coming back to the demand zone, which is 255 billions. And the resistance is at 280. Once we break 280, we'll go to 340. It's just a matter of hours or days. It will happen. First we break, flip, reconfirm and go higher. But if we look in the same asset, which is the others, on the weekly time frame, that's how the chart looks like. And actually this looks very good. I mean, 255, 260, it looks like really something we should hold. But yeah, let's monitor it, of course. But that's, I assume, could really happen. And that's what would also make sense, really taking into account where we are and what the prices are. We also have a take profit signals and kind of the end of the you see the same exactly signal from the 𝐒𝐭𝐚𝐲 we got when we had a nice jump, really. So the take profit is again taken, right? So the market makers are taking profit every time they push price lower here. That's exactly what's happening. So when the take profit is taken, we see the really at some point we break it and go higher. We just need to stay patient, and it definitely is a good time to buy altcoins. In terms of the halving timing, we are just in the middle. Nothing really changes. In terms of the bull market peak season, sell at the top, nothing changes. Hold 100%, okay? No change. In terms of the 1 year founding rate heat map, we are absolutely green, ready to go higher, but no one is rushing still. Bitcoin balance on the stock exchanges versus price. That's what the chart's telling us. Yeah, we have an increase of the Bitcoin balance, but that was actually explained with CZ by CZ afterwards. So I will elaborate on it in a second. Here is the comparison between Bitcoin and gold ETF, where we are and where we can go. Like in terms of Bitcoin, we speak 1 million in the next 5 years as a possibility. But before going there, we need to grab some liquidity and have a decent pullback. So that's exactly what's happening. And now we have an Ethereum chart. That's what I wanted to talk about. You see the few candles here. First, this is the 6-month candle, which is valid until the June 2025, so still 4 months. If we still keep this candle, we still keep the uptrend. And the next 6-month candle, which is July, December, could be the one which we break. We don't have to actually break this 6 months. We can break next 6 months. So for the next 4 months, we will stay in the price range of 33 to 27 and grind here in exactly this circle. We shouldn't break below. I do believe we broke below. This candle this week is below, but we at the end are again on the trend line. So that's exactly what I'm expecting from the price action for Ethereum, and exactly what happened to XRP. For many years, for many months, it was consolidating, but once it will break hard and very quick. That's the same chart, but on Ethereum on a different time frames. If we would see 6 months consolidation, that's how it would look like. It would bounce exactly here. Then the next one, Ethereum to Bitcoin looks as bearish as it can look, but the more red, the more bullish we should be at this stage. Where to be bullish, here or here? You know what I mean? I think this is a logic, common sense, even if we are keep falling down across the assets. Bitcoin dominance 60%, we can go easily to 70. Ethereum dominance, we are sitting at 10%. It looks like it would like to hold it. It will take some time, and then the bounce can be really hard. Bitcoin dominance is exactly showing what's going. It want to go a little bit higher. That we already show, that we spoke about, and yeah, some of our top performers like XRP is going very strong actually. Bitcoin cycle lows, according to the Bitcoin cycle lows for Glassnode BitBo, we should see the much higher high very, very soon. Rainbow, we know 300-400k, stock to flow, stock 300-400k. ETFs inflows a little bit of green candle after being so much red. Bitcoin chart in good trend back to the ground, and yeah, quarterly address for Ethereum. That's the one big. Let's see if we can close it really on red, or we do it in the Q4. That's something to monitor. Bitcoin stays, no, it's asset number 8, so it fall down by one place, but we go higher very soon, no worry. And all the rest of parameters looks actually fine. So guys, that will be everything for today. I hope you enjoyed. It's a quick recap where we are, what the parameters are, looks like, and I will talk to you in the next 2 days. Have a good day. Stay strong. Bye.